In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your App Store is missing from your iPhone. So there's a couple of different ways we can go about fixing this. The first thing you need to do is just scroll down on your phone to bring up the search feature. And then from here, you're just going to search for App Store. Now, it could be the case that your App Store is just being removed from the home screen. So if it does show up in this search feature here, all you simply need to do is hold down on the App Store like so, and then select Add to Home Screen. And as you can see, it's now being returned to our home screen. So if that method doesn't work for you, then what you need to do instead is head over to the Settings app on your phone. Scroll all the way down to Screen Time and select this. Scroll down again and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Click on iTunes and App Store Purchases. So you may need to enter your iPhone's passcode in order to access these settings. So if you did have a guardian or parent set up the account for you, then you'll need to ask them for the passcode before being able to access and change these settings. So once you're inside of this window, click on Installing Apps right at the top and make sure this is set to Allow. Once you've done that, you can then head back over to your home screen, and that should have now fixed the App Store not showing. If you have tried both of these methods and it's still not working for you, the final thing we can do is head back over to the Settings menu, come back over to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and right at the top here, you just want to turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions altogether. So just disable it like so. And then if you head back over to your home screen, your App Store should now be working. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.